In this video, I'm going to show you that how to change your Logon music of Windows 7. First, download Resource Hacker, Ownership, and Format Factory from description of this video. After installing these components, follow my instructions. Firstly, your audio file type must be WAV. It is my audio file, and you can see that the type of this file is MP3. It is the audio file that I want to set it on my Logon. Let's check the Windows audio files format. Here you can see that the all files have WAV format. Run Format Factory and follow my steps. First, select Audio and click WAV icon. Click Add File and navigate to your Logon music file to change its format. Hit OK and click Start. If we compare these files, there is a great difference between them. First, changes in their extension, and second is in size. And now, run Resource Hacker. Click Open File icon, or you can manually click File, Open. Navigate to C, Windows, System 32 and find images.dll file. Edit this file with this software. Open Wave Key, and it is the exact file where we can change music. It is the previous Logon music. Right click on resource file and click replace resource. And now, click replace. After selecting your file, click save as, and save this file at desktop. Don't save this at his current place. Now open images.dll root directory and take ownership of previous images.dll. First, take ownership of this file and rename it into images old or something. Move this file to System 32 directory. You have done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Share my videos to your friends. You can also visit our site